Why do climate visuals matter? To mark the launch of Saffron O'Neill's new book, The Visual Life of Climate Change, we've been asking a range of experts.
My name's Alastair Johnston. I'm the Climate Visuals Manager at Climate Outreach, and before that I was a picture editor at the Sunday Times and Times newspapers. I think photography really affects how we imagine an issue, or we think about a story, how we conceptualise it in our mind, and I think photography is particularly powerful in doing that alongside written words and spoken word too. And with climate change, it's obviously an ever-present and massive issue, but photography can really help us zero in on specific elements of that and really imagine our place within that.
I am David Maurice Smith. I'm a Canadian photographer and director. Climate visuals are one way of bringing the story to the forefront. It keeps people engaged with the issue. It keeps them thinking about it. Through that, you hope that there is potential for change, although it's not a sure thing.
My name is Devine-Wright, and I'm a professor in geography and the Global Systems Institute at the University of Exeter. I think visual dimensions of climate change are really important because a lot of what happens in our climate in terms of the changes are not that visible to the naked eye on a day-to-day level. So they are mediated through what we read and what we see and what we hear. So the visual dimensions, therefore, are really important.
Hi, I'm Michalec. I'm a researcher based at the University of Bristol. The reason why I am passionate about pitching alternative ways of communicating the futures of energy is primarily because of accessibility. Not everyone responds well to large blocks of text or very technical literature. There's this stereotype that if you are not a technical person yourself, you shouldn't have a voice in debates about the digital innovations. And I don't think that's the case at all.
My name is Morelli. I am an Italian information designer based in Norway, and I am the CEO and co-founder of InfoDesignLab. The visual dimensions of climate are crucial in every context that requires an audience to understand the data, make decisions, or take action based on this data. It can help us to raise awareness, to explain, to engage, and especially to connect.
My name's Fransisco from the Invisible Circus. I'm the founder member of the Red Rebel Brigades. I think the visual side of climate change is important because, I don't know, people don't relate that well to facts and figures. People have a more emotive response to a visual image. The different ways there are to emotively provoke people with imagery and art and stuff like that around the issue opens people up more to it, I think.
To learn more about why climate images matter, check out The Visual Life of Climate Change, out now.